Nowadays, rent expenses are going very high. So, your company is helping you with that with HRA, which is house rent allowance. Now, IT department allows us that, let's say if I am getting a salary of 1 lakh a month, out of which 30,000 is my rent and 70,000 is the salary I'm enjoying. So I have to pay tax only on 70,000, and the 30,000 rent amount will be exempt. That is, I don't have to pay tax on that. But for that, I have to fulfill certain conditions. These are the conditions which you have to satisfy for claiming HRA exemption. The first thing is that you must be a salaried individual and you must receive rent. You must receive HRA from your employer. Now, the HRA you have received, you must be actually paying rent and you must be staying on a rented place in a residential accommodation. Also, there is one more condition that you should not own any residential property in the same city of your workplace. To be precise, within the 30-kilometer radius of your workplace. Also, you should not own any property in the name of your spouse or in the name of your minor kids or in the name of your HUF. So you need to provide all the valid rent receipts. These receipts should include details of your landlord's name, address, amount, rent paid and their signature. Also, if the rent paid goes above 1 lakh, then you have to provide the landlord's PAN also. Now suppose your company is giving you HRA, but you are not staying on a rented place. You are staying with your parents. So what you can do, how you can take the maximum benefit on HRA? What you can do is you can pay rent to your parents and you can show it in the valid rent receipts. You can make a rental agreement between you and your parents also. But the one condition is when your parents are receiving rent from you, their income tax return should also show the income which is received in the form of rent.